Spotify. Well, it's a new television program totally based on the maritime institution. When you consider this logo, you will understand that it's very much clearly elaborated within spaces, and then here we're moving forward, and we have lots of spaces for filling it in gaps. So we want some forms, and actually we want to do something very much intuitive with the Microsoft Word interface, and we want to use our glasses too to prevent some of the heatings against the eyes. So here, what I'm gonna introduce here is a skill software from the Solve Spot. Actually, it's all about what you see on your screen. So now, let me further elaborate. Just with a strike, and then you see what that's all about. So hang in this. We want to use this time out to appreciate FSMTR for giving us their best. But then, to go into the order of the day, I'm gonna give